Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We've got a lovely piece of elm on the lathe here. So first of all we're just going to mark out for the mortise. And now for the foot. So we've got the camera into place and the lathe turned on, and now we're going to start turning. So the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size rougher from Easy Wood Tools. Alright, as we're turning this around, my buddy Ozzy has just started his wood turning journey and he's just released his first video. I will leave a link to his channel in the cards and in the description. Be sure to go over and give him a like, give him a subscribe, and be sure to let him know JP sent you. Flattening off the rim there and carrying on with the shaping. Light cut to finish it off. There we go. Okay, onto the bottom, and now we're going to create the mortise. So we're going to start with a mid-size detailer. Hog it all out with the mid-size rougher and flatten everything off. And back to the details to give it a bit of an undercut so it matches the angles of the jaws of the cut. Okay, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now I'm just going to sand to 240 grit here with clean spore abrasives. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean out the grain. And some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. If you're in the USA, you can get this from Northside Custom Crafts. If you're in the UK, you can get this from Axminster Tools. There will be links down in the description. Wipe this all over, wait until you get a clean paper towel, and that will give you the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. See what I mean by a lovely piece of elm. Alright, some Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax here. If anyone was interested in using any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will also be a link down to that in the description. There's wipe it all over. Lathe on slow to start off with. Make sure you get nice even coverage. And we turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200. And then you let the solvents evaporate and then buff it in. Build up that heat. And you don't want to put too hard. You don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. I'll just say, just build up the heat and buff it in.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun.
There you go.
Gotta be my someone.
Alright, so we've got the piece of wood to flip around in the lathe now, so we're going to start by hollowing it out. For that we're going to use the number 1 hollower.
Have never been clearer. I see what you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger.
Final passes here now.
Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you are bright white gold.
And there we go. Okay, once again already done most of the sanding, and so we're just going to do 240 grit again. Up to 240 grit.
The very same hands that formed us. Go build a better tomorrow. For you I'd make it a rainbow. I think I will be holding on to
Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. Some cellulose sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste.
I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to.
Once again, just buff it in until you get a clean paper towel. And that'll be equivalent to 1000 grit. And finally some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax.
They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your eyes and you will see we are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters. They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness? Use your eyes and you will see we are right where we wanna be. Nothing else really matters. To see that we are young and helpless, but we're just young and
There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this week's video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And until next week's video, I shall see you then. Bye bye for now.
They tell us what to do, they tell us what to think. Can someone stop the madness?